Welcome back to our channel. If you love home entertainment and want a theater-like experience without those bulky machines, you're going to love today's video. We're counting down the top 5 best compact projectors of 2025 that bring stunning visuals, portability, and smart features right into your living room, or even your backpack. And don't worry, I'll drop all the product links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Samsung Premier 5, a projector that takes compact and adds a whole lot of power. Imagine getting a bright, crystal-clear 4K image in a device that's smaller than most laptops. Engineered with next-generation triple laser technology, this projector delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD clarity with a 15:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio, ensuring deep blacks, vibrant colors, and exceptional brightness in every frame. With 3000 ISO lumens, the VisionMaster Pro 2 lights up your space with cinematic brilliance, even in moderately lit rooms. Whether you're enjoying an immersive IMAX experience or streaming in HDR10+, every scene feels larger than life. Its 0.9, 1.5x optical zoom makes installation flexible, adapting seamlessly to living rooms, home theaters, or even outdoor setups. Gamers will appreciate the 4 milliseconds lag-free response time, making this projector a true powerhouse for smooth, competitive gameplay. Plus, with 2x multitasking power, you can enjoy multiple apps or functions simultaneously without compromising speed or quality. Smart home integration is effortless. Connect and control your VisionMaster Pro 2 via Google Home or Apple HomeKit for a seamless, voice-controlled experience. Stream your favorite content directly through GTV, Google TV, with access to Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and more, all built right in. Designed for today's lifestyle, the VisionMaster Pro 2 combines high-end performance with user-friendly features, offering versatility for movies, sports, gaming, and professional presentations. Its sleek, modern design ensures it looks as impressive as it performs. Whether you're creating the ultimate home theater or need a reliable projector for hybrid work setups, the VisionMaster Pro 2 Triple Laser Projector 4K is the all-in-one solution for uncompromising quality and endless entertainment possibilities. Next up, at number 4, we've got the Orzen Zip. This is the ultimate travel companion projector. It's lightweight, super portable, and even comes with built-in speakers that deliver surprisingly good sound for its size. Designed to deliver breathtaking visuals and immersive sound, this all-in-one projector transforms any space into a true home theater. With 4K Ultra HD resolution and cutting-edge single laser technology, every frame comes alive with vibrant colors, crisp details, and exceptional clarity. Enjoy a massive 120-inch screen size without the need for a traditional bulky setup. Thanks to its ultra-short throw design, you can place the projector just inches away from the wall and still enjoy cinematic scale. Experience the power of HDR technology, which enhances contrast and brightness for lifelike picture quality. From action-packed blockbusters to nature documentaries, the Premier brings every scene to life. Adding to the immersive experience, its built-in 2.2-channel surround sound system delivers rich, room-filling audio that makes external speakers optional. As a smart projector, the Premier is powered by Samsung's intuitive platform, giving you access to your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, all from one device. Plus, with Alexa built in, you can control playback, adjust settings, or search content completely hands-free. Compact, sleek, and designed for modern homes, this projector blends seamlessly with your decor while eliminating the need for complicated installations. Whether you're watching movies, streaming sports, gaming, or enjoying family nights, it provides an effortless big-screen experience. The Samsung 120-inch Premier Ultra-Short Throw 4K UHD projector redefines home entertainment. Bright, powerful, and smart enough to fit perfectly into your lifestyle. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Anker Nebula Capsule 3 Laser. If you've seen the earlier capsule models, You know Anker has been the king of pocket projectors, but this one takes it to the next level with laser projection technology. Designed for ultimate portability, this compact yet powerful projector fits right in your pocket, making it the perfect travel and lifestyle companion for entertainment on the go. Crafted with a unique trifold design, the Orzen Zip combines style and practicality while ensuring maximum portability. Its DLP projection technology delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with smooth motion, making it ideal for movies, gaming, or presentations. Despite its tiny size, it offers a full-screen mode, projecting a surprisingly large and clear display that turns any wall into your personal theater. Thanks to zero-lag focus, you'll always enjoy crisp visuals without constant adjustments. Streaming content is effortless with one-click screen mirroring, allowing you to connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. Whether you're at home, hosting a backyard movie night, or enjoying an outdoor adventure, this mini projector ensures seamless entertainment wherever you are. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C fast charging, the Orzen Zip delivers hours of uninterrupted playtime. Its reliable battery life makes it perfect for travel, camping trips, or spontaneous gatherings without worrying about constant charging. Designed for flexibility, it works effortlessly indoors and outdoors, offering immersive viewing even in smaller spaces. Sleek and lightweight in a stylish gray finish, the projector blends portability with durability, ensuring it stands out as both functional and fashionable. The Orzen Zip Trifold Mini Projector is more than just a gadget. It's your pocket cinema, gaming hub, and presentation tool rolled into one compact device. At number 2, we have the Samsung Freestyle. Second general, this little projector is all about flexibility and fun. You can set it up at any angle, wall, ceiling, or even outdoors, and it instantly auto-adjusts for the perfect screen. Featuring advanced laser projection technology, it delivers ultra-bright, razor-sharp visuals up to 120 inches, all in a sleek, compact design that's about the size of a soda can. Equipped with Google TV and official Netflix support, the Capsule 3 gives you instant access to thousands of movies, shows, and apps without needing extra devices. Stream directly from your favorite platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and YouTube, making it a true all-in-one entertainment hub. Engineered for both indoor and outdoor use, the projector's Dolby Digital audio ensures rich, immersive sound that matches its stunning picture quality. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night, gaming with friends, or watching sports on the go, the Capsule 3 creates an unforgettable viewing experience. Portability is at the heart of its design. With a built-in 2.5-hour rechargeable battery, you can enjoy a full-length movie anywhere, while Wi-Fi connectivity ensures seamless streaming. Lightweight and compact, it slips easily into a bag, making it the perfect travel companion. The Nebula Capsule 3 laser also comes with intuitive features like autofocus and keystone correction, so you get a perfect picture every time without hassle. Its mini size doesn't compromise performance. It's powerful, smart, and designed for everyday convenience. Whether you're a movie lover, gamer, or frequent traveler, this projector combines portability with premium performance. The Nebula Capsule 3 laser projector proves that big screen entertainment doesn't require big, bulky equipment. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Valerian VisionMaster Pro 2. This is the beast of compact projectors in 2025. Ultra-bright, razor-sharp 4K visuals, next-level HDR support, and whisper-quiet cooling. Compact, stylish, and packed with features, this versatile projector delivers a truly immersive experience anywhere you set it up. Enjoy vibrant full HD resolution and HDR support, bringing movies, shows, and games to life with crisp detail and stunning color. The Freestyle projects a flexible screen size from 30 to 100 inches, adapting perfectly to your space, whether it's your bedroom wall, living room, or even outdoors under the stars. What makes the second-gen Freestyle stand out is its built-in gaming hub, designed for smooth, lag-free streaming of your favorite cloud-based games. No console required. Pair it with a controller, and you're ready for instant gaming action on the big screen. Setup is effortless thanks to auto keystone correction, auto leveling, and smart calibration, ensuring a perfect picture every time, no matter where you place it. And with 360-degree sound, you'll enjoy rich, room-filling audio without the need for external speakers. As a smart portable projector, it comes preloaded with Samsung's user-friendly smart TV platform, giving you direct access to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and more. With built-in Wi-Fi and voice assistant support, controlling your entertainment is as easy as asking. Designed for portability, the Freestyle is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for home use, travel, or outdoor movie nights. Its modern design blends seamlessly with any space, while delivering performance that rivals larger, traditional projectors. So there you have it, our top 5 best compact projectors of 2025. From pocket-sized magic like the Anchor Nebula Capsule 3 to powerhouse models like the Valerian VisionMaster Pro 2, there's something here for everyone, whether you're a traveler, gamer, or just love movie nights at home. Don't forget, I've added all the links in the description so you can explore each projector for yourself. If you enjoyed this countdown, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gadget roundups, and let me know in the comments, which projector would you choose? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.